Okay, let's start. This one's a bit tricky, but it's still easy, so let's just do it. So it's given that a circle passes through these 3 points. Let's plot the 3 points. So this is -1, 1. Next point is 0, 6. So it will be here. And the next point is 5, 5. 0, 6 and 5, 5. Okay. So joining these lines. So it kind of looks like the lines may be perpendicular to each other. So let's try that. First, let us find out the slope of this line. So it will be 6 minus 1, 5 upon 0 minus -1. So the slope of this line is 5. And the slope of this line will be 6 minus 5, that is 1 upon 0 minus 5. So that is 1 upon -5. So that is -1 upon 5. Yeah, so obviously it's reciprocal and then multiplying by -1. So these lines are in fact perpendicular. So that just means that these 2 points are diametrically opposite points of the circle. So we know the equation, we know the formula for writing the equation when the diametrically opposite points are given, right? It will become x plus 1 into x minus 5 plus y minus 1 into x minus into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So expanding, we have x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y is equal to 0. Okay, so we can also see that the circle passes through the origin as well. So let us try to draw the circle. Suppose if it's something like this. Yeah, okay. So this is the circle. Now the next thing they have said is we have to find the points on the circle, the tangents at which are parallel to the straight line joining the origin to the center. Okay. So the straight line joining the origin to the center. Suppose this is the origin. This is the line joining origin to the center. The coordinates of the center will be 2, 3. So let's write that 2, 3. So the equation, the slope of this line will be 3 by 2 obviously. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the equations, we have to find out the points such that the tangent to the circle is parallel to this line. Okay, so there will be something like this. Alright, so this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, and we have to find out this point and this point. So obviously both of these points will be diametrically opposite to each other, and also this angle will be 90 degrees. And as let's call this line as L, this as L1 and this as L2. And as L and L1 are parallel to each other, this angle has to be 90 degrees as well. So we can say that slope of this line will be -2/3. Okay. So we know the slope of this line, and the required points, they are at a distance of r. R is the radius of the circle. They are at a distance of r from point 2, 3 with slope -2/3. So let us write the equation of that line in parametric form. So we will have 2 plus r cos theta, comma 3 plus r sin theta. And we also know that this is the slope of the line, so this is equal to tan theta. So from this we can write sin theta and cos theta as, so this will become 2 plus r, no, it will become minus. So this is 2 minus 3 by root of, it will become root 9 plus 4, so that is 13 into r, comma 3 plus 2 by root 3, root 13 r. Okay. So now to calculate the coordinates of these 2 points, first one time we will have to minus the r and one time we will have to add the r. Also the radius can be found out from here. The value of r will be root 13 because it is under root 2 square plus 3 square. So simply substituting the values over here, we will have the 2 coordinates as 2 minus 3 comma 3 plus 2, and the second coordinate will be 2 plus 3 comma 3 minus 2. Okay, so this will become minus 1 comma 5, and the second point will become 5 comma 1. So these are our final answers.